Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to replace the terminal posts on a crossover, because these terminal posts are barely on there. If you look at that, I can just barely on there. They're not strong enough for me, that's for sure. So we're going to take the black one. No, that's the positive. I'm going to do the positive first. Should come off without the ratchet. Yep, it comes right off. There it goes. We'll save the nut. We're going to throw this away. That's worthless. Now, the reason I'm making this video is to show you how to put a terminal post on with a locking washer and a separate locking nut. So what we have here is an old locking washer that we're going to throw away. We have a regular washer that we're going to put on first on the inside. Then we're going to put a brand new locking washer on. Then we're going to put a nut on. How come it doesn't have a nut on it? There we go. So I've got a washer, a locking washer, a nut, and a locking nut. Let's stick that right through here. That popped up a little bit. I'm going to put that back down. So, regular washer. Yep. Regular washer. Locking washer. Nut. Now we're going to torque this down with a ratchet, but not very tight. Just tight enough to compress the locking washer, because we don't want to strip the threads. So let's put this on until it gets kind of snug. There, that's all we need right there. Then I'm going to put the locking nut on the top of that. I'm just going to torque that by hand. And there we go. Now, we've got a terminal post on. Now, I got lucky here. No, I didn't get lucky. I should have oriented it to the holes at the top, but that's not really that big of a deal. Let's do the other one. Oh, I'd have to use a ratchet on that one. That one's a little snugger. One of my ratchets acting up here a little bit. There's a little shot of WD-40, I think. Let's get this bad boy off. There, that's all it took, just to break it. And come off there. Guess we're going to use a ratchet after all. There it comes off. Okay, let's throw that away again. Save the nut. And remember to put this back on. Let's do this again. The locking nut, the nut, the new locking washer. I'm going to throw away the old locking washer and get a new flat washer I have right here. So Once again, we're going to put this on. I'm going to put this on. Where's the... There it is. And we're going to put the washer on. And the locking washer again. The nut. Get it tight as I can by hand. Pretty snug. The right tool in place. And again, we're going to tighten this up, but not too tight. Just enough to compress the locking washer. Right there. Now we're going to put the locking nut on. I'm going to put that on like this. Hand tighten that, and we're done. We have new binding posts. And it only took 5 minutes. Wasn't too bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons.